this fried chicken cook-off. Humphrey versus Humphrey. It's the setup so far. Now, of course, my wife is sitting on that side over there. I'm not even gonna look at the little funky spices she's gonna be using. And this is my delicious stuff that I'll be using over here. We'll be sharing some of the things in our ingredients, not including the funky spice she got over there. I don't know what that is. That's some witch stuff or whatever. But the wine that I'll be using, of course, we'll be sharing the oil, which we'll be cooking in. But this is what I got going over here. We got a big gang of flour, so that's not a problem at all. So we're gonna get started in just a few moments. It's gonna be Humphrey versus Humphrey. I'm gonna miss my wife. Okay, here's the naked chicken. Sorry for the content. My wife's been so kind to share a little portion, a little smidgen of the garlic. I am starting to prep the chicken. Get ready, chicken.
I don't trust this mustard that's been in the cabinet.
Mm-hmm. I agree. My chicken will be that good.
Like, why didn't you tell me this was so bad? It's like, I'm just trying to do that. Got a few.
Happy Mother's Day to all of you. All the beautiful mamas out there. About to put in this cayenne pepper because I'm gonna put some fire on that woman over there. Just a little drizzle of it. A little drizzle. Yeah. We like a little hood around here, a little drizzle. Yeah. Some of the other things I already placed in. This is 2 parts flour, 1 part cornstarch, along with some ground pepper. My wife was so nice, she gave me what was left of the garlic powder. Got this Creole seasoning, yeah, and that's kind of what we're working with right now. I'm gonna go and grab some of the other peppers over there, and I'll be back shortly. Mother's Day Massacre Cook-Off. My chicken's gonna be some one bad mother. I'm finally topping it off with this Susie Q seasoning, sponsored by Earl Humphrey. Yes, this will be very delicious. All right, and we're back. Here we go. Just kind of mixing it in a little bit more. Sometimes you just gotta get your hands a little dirty when you gotta handle business. I'll be coating it in just a moment. Now, the only person I am coating is my wife, but I'll be coating this chicken in just a moment. That's old school. All right, so right now I'm burying this chicken in order to bring it to life. Yeah. Well, getting ready to heat up in a minute. Got my flour, got my batter and everything, got the oil, and here's my chicken that I've started dressing. I got it dressed up real good for Mother's Day. That's their dressing right there. It's gonna go in here, then in here. So here, and here, and there. Here, and here, back over here, and in there. It's gonna swing. It's gonna swing real good. It's gonna swim. I have the temperature set for 400 right now. Waiting for it to get that bubbling brown sugar. Bubbling brown sugar. Yeah, it's going down right now. I got them dumped in and they're doing what they're doing right now. My wife's chicken, now no lie, looking quite scrumptious. Looking quite scrumptious. You know, it's not to the par of this, but like I told you, it went in there. But first it went back. Oh, where my little bowl at? Where my little bowl at? Oh my goodness. Oh, it went back in there. It went in here and then back in there. So I do a double dip. A little double dip. Got my flame down a little bit lower. And let it just kind of do what it do. Do you want to show the folks how yours looking so far? Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. See that now? No lie. No haters over here. Looking quite good. She got hers going right there in this pot. Here's her chicken right here. All right. Hers. Looking at her fish. Well, not fish, but she said, look at, wait, she said, look at that. I want to zoom in. Okay, now, no lie. I see the deliciousness is in full effect on this chicken. I can see it. I see all the little delectable stuff going on with her chicken. Okay, yeah, I see she got it going on. Now, this is what's in the pot right now. Now, none of mine have been revealed. They're still in the fryer. So that's what's going on. All right, here's mine after the first dip. Yeah, I know it does. I know it does. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Yeah, I know it does. It's going to go back in for a second dip, so that's how we do. Round two. The oil is died down. Chicken is in place. Here we go. This chicken is for all the mothers out there who brought these little chicks into the world. All those little chicks got hatched one day by these precious moms out there. This chicken is going out to y'all. Can't have none though. This chicken is going out to y'all. Special shout out for my main mom, Sandra Anderson. To my baby mama, not just my baby mama, but my number one stunner, one and only, Candace Humphrey. Notice last name Humphrey. She ain't just no baby mama. She my queen, by the way. The word Candace means queen. Look it up, Ethiopian. Arthur means king, just so you know. The more you know. All right, my wife, chicken over here looking all good. She gonna put the fork up to the camera. She want me to try some. Okay. Oh man, sure look good. Oh no. Oh no, the flavor's too much. It is definitely flavorful. And she just took it out the oven. Now she eating up all the chicken, so I don't want to win anyway, because I ain't gonna be no chicken for the judges, because she gonna eat it all before we get to the judge. Yeah, I think it's good. But I think I'm gonna win because you're gonna eat it all. Let me get about 5 more of them pieces so that way you won't have any for the judges. Yeah. Mother's Day massacre. We got some fries. We just got some regular store-bought fries. But this chicken though, my chicken, that's where it's going down. That's where it's going down. Yeah. Here come my babies over here. My babies just looking all good. They just doing what they do. Here's my baby. Turn down a little bit. Let them do what they do. All right, here's my chicken now. And what you said it looked? How did it look again? While I'm on video, you said it looked what again? I think you said some. Let's do Wheel of Fortune. The letters are G blank blank D. I think you repeated it twice. Okay. All right. See what we do. This is mine, just came up out the grease. Mm-hmm. How did the inside taste?
Yeah, it's a lovely.
Mm-hmm. Real crispy. Holes are shaped well. Mm-hmm. No wimpy chicken around here. Now it's going in the oven at 250 just to go ahead and give it that final touch. Then we'll call it a wrap. Stay tuned for the conclusion of the Mother's Day Massacre cook-off. All right, so we're getting started to prep the plates. There's, of course, my wife's chicken. Some fries right there. We're making some space. Presenting. Last but not least, the one, the only king chicken. Look at that deliciousness as I try not to drop the pan. Oh my goodness. Chicken versus chicken. Who will win? Stay tuned for the amazing results. All right, by unanimous decision, the winner of the Mother's Day Massacre Cook-Off, first annual, is none other than my wife, my baby mama, my queen, Candace Humphrey. Both of our chickens is in that refrigerator. And it's been brought to my attention that there have been people coming back again and again for my chicken, although she won. Conspiracy? Tell me your thoughts. Until next year, I'm signing off. Again, happy Mother's Day from the Humphreys.